may
medyo ito nagkakalat ha.
Nagkakalat yun. Pero muna tayo para bukas sa championship bukas. Kasi ngayon, finals ng laban. Sino mananalo ngayon? Panalo na yung blue team kanina. Yan, yung waiting ng blue team pala. Tsaka ngayon maglalaban team orange saka black. Team black. Yan. Doon na sila sa court. Pipirma muna tayo pala. Sorry. Pirma muna tayo. Simula na tayo. Last game tayo sa semis. Ito tayo sa huling laban na to. Bukas yung kanina blue team. Kanina waiting na. Para bukas sa champion. Ito team orange saka team black. Lalaban ngayon.
Pare, maikpit ang referee ngayon.
Kanina ba na rin?
Ang
Number 22. 2 points by number 22. Number 20. Pass to number 20 pa rin. Tumira. 2 points. Number 31. Pass to number 280. Tumira. 2 points. Number 23. 2 points. Number 31. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 20. 2 points. Number 20. Kali number 20 pa rin. Still the number. Ayun wala. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Number 20. Number 26. Number 22. Foul. Basket. Who's foul rep? Foul by number 23. Number 23 first. Personal foul first. Foul. Almost to go. Number 20. Number 20. Tumira. Very good. Even number 20. Basket number 31. Number 31. 2 points. Number 31. Number 20. Ball. Number 26. Tumira ng Torres. Number 26. 3 points. Number 22. 2 points. Number 20. 3 points.
traffic.
286, 2 points. Number 20, Number 20, Ayun sa number 22, 2 points. Pagtempon po, number 20, 2 points. Number 26, Tumira Torres, number 26, 3 points. Number 23, Tumira Torres, no good. Even number 13, Tumira, no good. One number 26. Number 26 pa rin. Tumira Torres, number 20, 3 points. Number 26. Yeah, 2 points. Number 22. Tumira, no good. Pass to number 20. 2 points. Number 20. No good. Number 20 pa rin. 2 points. By now to 1. Still. Pass to number 26. So, good pa rin. Number 31. 26. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Number 20. Number 22. Nigot. 2 points. By number 22. 2 points by number 26. Tumira ng 3, wala ibang number. 13. Number 30. Pass to number 20. Back to number 33. Pass to number 26. 2 points. Number 13. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. 2 points. Number 26. Pass to number 13. 2 points. Number 29. Pass to number 19. 2 points by number 19. Number 23. Pass to number 26. Tumira. Number 26. 3 points. Number 19. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 22. Nagkat, hindi nilabas. Number, pass to number 26. No, good pa rin. One number 30, pass to number 26. Loose foul rep, foul by number 22, number 22, first personal foul, first team foul. No good. Last throw. No good. Even number 22 pass number 29. Pass to number 19, pass to number 26. No good, rebound. Out of bounds, orange ball. Number 13. No good. Number 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 29, pass to number 19, 2 points. Number 30, pass to number 23. Number 29, pass to number 22. Tumira ng 3. No good, dribble number 23. Huh? Shoot! Hoy na shoot! Hoy na bola! Pinentuhan eh, no? Ang lakas mo dong. Number 13. Number 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 19. Hook. Pass to number 29. Steal. Number 13, 2 points. 5 na lang. Number 22. Steal ni number 13. Kantang pasa. 3 na lang po. Tumira ng 3. Time out! Orange. 19. So number 29. No good. No good.
Ma'am?
Kanina wala.
Ayang pinasama yung puwan eh. Kala ko kasama eh.
Orange.
Kala ko kasama yung puwan eh.
Number 13. Pass to number 26. 2 points by number 26. Number 29, no good. Number 19, no good pa rin. Kuha number 26. Number 26. No good. Rebound niya pa rin. 2 points. Lamang na po ang orange ng isa. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Foul. Scholar foul by number 23. Number 23.
Time out.
Number 20. Pass to number 22. Easy 2 points. Number 20. 3 points. Number 26. 2 points. Same ball. 23. Sige po. 2 points by number 23. Ito na ginagana na. No good. 2 points. Second step. No good pa rin. Two points by number 26. Personal foul. Warning for penalty pa lang po. 23 seconds. 90 seconds. 50 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Number 2. 0.8 na lang, 0.8. First throw, no. Isa pa. Last throw, ready jumpers. 0.8 na lang po
Block. 5 orange.
Service ko yaman.
Okay, so
Number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 26. Huli. Out of bounds. May duwa na rin. Orange ball. Number 13. Pass to number 23. No good. Number 13. Wala Jesse Marquez. Wala. Into Bobby. Number 26. Traveling violation. Number 20. Pass to number 22. No good. Number 13. No good. One number 13. Number 20. Tumira ng 3. Wala iba ni number 23. Out of bounds. Number 20. Number 20. Asa number 22. Kuha ni number 20. 3 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Number 23 pass to number 26. Tumira 2 points. Number 20. No good pa rin. No good. Number 20. No good. Ang ulit to, parang naglalakad sa Periano. Two points. Number 26. Number 22. Still the number 13. 2 points. Number 13. Pass to number 22. Number 26. 2 points. Number 30. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 22. 2 points. The number 2 points. Number 20. Tumira ng 3. Kapos, orange ball. Number 26. Number 26. Still the number 20. Content ball Baritoy. Number 20. Number 20. No good dribble number 26. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 13. Tumira 2 points. Number 22. No good dribble number 26. Number 26. Number 26. No good. Number 20. Number 22. 6 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. 3, 2. Good job. Good job, good job. Number 26. Substitution rep. Number 23. Pass to number 26. Traveling violation.
Sinabi ko lang kanina, di ba? Wala akong reklamo. Isa pa.
Number 20.
Alam ko may foul dapat yan. Pushing foul. Parang tulak din yan. Yan. Parang tulak siya.
Number 22. Quali number 13. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. 3, 2. Good job. 2 points. Number 19 tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 19. 2 points. Okay, number 10 minutes and 20 seconds. No good pa rin. Number 19. Content ball. Number 22. 7 seconds to shoot. No good. Quali number 19. 2 points. Time out! Number 13. Number 13, nakalusot. Pass to number 26. Bumeke. Tumira wala. Rebound number. Number 20. Number 20 tumira. No good. Rebound ni number 26. Number 26. Foul. Basket. Who's foul rep? Foul by number 20. Number 20 first. Personal foul first. Team foul. Almost strong. 9 minutes and 32 seconds. Bonus throw. No good. Number 19 pass to number 20. 2 points. Number 14, number 13. Is stepping on the line. Time remaining 9 minutes and 21 seconds. 9 minutes and 21 seconds. Number 22, 2 points. No good, 2 points. Number 13, pass to number 14. 2 points. And number 14, number 20, still. One number 13. Number 13. Number 13. 2 points. Number 19. Ang lakas. 8 minutes and 35.
Grabe daw tawag ng basketball player sa dalawa tatlo wala dalawang dalawang upload pa lang walang travel.
Traveling violation. Time out. Orange. 8-31. Pass. Orange ball. Number 14. Number 14.
Yan, malinis na traveling talaga ang tawag doon kasi nakailang takbo na siya. Travel tayo na
Traveler violation. Number 20. Pass to number 22. Is still number 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 20. 2 points by number 20. Number 13. Pass to number 22. Okay. 2 points. Number 20. Number 20. Foul by number 14. Number 14. First personal foul. First team foul. 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Number 22. Mikot. Foul. Swallow foul by number 13. Number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 20. Number 20. 7 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul rep. Basket. Substitution rep. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus throw. Labaran. 2 points. Number 13. Number 13. 7 seconds to shoot. Kaliwa. Collect. Number 22. Pass to number 20. No good ribbon number 19. No good for ribbon number. Oh, kanina bala? Black ball.
wala din.
Agan? Number 19. Pass to number 22. Still number 13. No good. Number 22. Mikot. Number 13. Number 13. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Still. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. No good. Deliver the number 13. 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Number 13. Number 26. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 20. 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
Yan naman mga idol, nawala lang sa balance isang player natin. At ano yung sapatos, parang napakan yung sapatos niya sarili kaya bumagsak. Okay.
Number 13.
Ito man mga master, mga idol, ito reklamo ng isang player din na naka-orange versus naka-itim na black. Ayan, yung siko daw siya. Medyo mayroon talaga din. Ayan, reklamo siya.
2 points. Number 22. 2 points. Number 23. Basket. Shot clock violation. Oh, sige. Every position. Number 31. Pass to number 22. 2 points. Number 20. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Number 20. 3 points. Number 31. Number 31. Number 31. 2 points. Number 20. 3 minutes and 5 seconds left. Number 31. Kanina bala rin? Orange ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Again po kaya. Number 23 pass to number 20. Tumira ng 3. Number 20. 3 points. Number 22. Number 13. Basket.
Warning ha! Warning! Kanina pa, isa pa.
Time out! Orange. 2 minutes and 34 seconds.
Dahil ito ulo ha. Ibawat mo na yung kanina. Nakikita!
Sus, kalukuhan mo rin.
Kalukuhan. Ikaw kalukuhan.
Bakit rin?
Oo, ano ba yan?
Bakit?
Ganyan. Laro na, 200 lang entry nyo. 1,000 lang yung quota. 1,000 lang yung quota. Huwag kayo masyadong ano. Hindi mo sinasadya yun eh.
Sabihan kita.
Huwag kayo tayo, nag-aaway-aaway pati. Ito nga, ba't pumapito eh? Buti nga, may pinapito sa inyo eh.
Sige ko na yung player eh.
Grabe naman. Walang bayad yan, walang bayad.
Lasingin na pre ha. Lasing yan pre.
Huwag na, ano yung out din na yan.
Pinabigay kayo lasing eh, pero hindi mo ginagawa nyo. Tama ba yung naglalaro kayo? Nagiinom?
Grabe naman yan.
Sige.
Wala.
Tama na.
Lang yan oh.
Sige.
Uwi na kayo dyan.
Laro lang yun. Laruin niya lang.
Ayun na, tawag ng referee.
Hindi na lasing mo yung tinatawag. Hindi mo nakain na yung player eh. Sige.
War na.
Hindi pa laruin. Bakit?
Noy. Noy.
Ay, ba't sasabihin akong gago din? Nakainom siya. Bakit di ba bawal nga dapat?
Hindi naman siya nakainom. Doon nakainom pare, nakainom mo. Di ba ginagago ko yung laro na yan?
Ba't sabi akong gago, Noy?
Hindi ako sabing gago pare, sabi ko ayusin mo yung player pare. Huwag mo murahin pare, binumura mo naman ako eh.
Okay, tama na eh.
Ay!
Kaya tayo lang dito.
Baka biwa kayo kasi.
Ano ba?
Daw taga dito, biwa yun. Kalma lang.
Huwag mo na pag-alala. Huwag tayo na pag-alala. Oo.
Sige na naman.
Tama Noy.
Oras. Oras. Sige na.
Number 30, tumira ng 3. Number 30, 3 points. Number 22. Number 22, tumira wala, rebound number. Number 13. Number 13, 2 minutes and 12 seconds left. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 20, tumira ng 3. Number 20, 3 points. Wala po tayo. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 13. Number 13. 3 seconds to shoot. 2. Uy. Shot lock na yun. Mali namin. Sa amin. Nabindot agad. Shot lock violation ako. Shot lock violation. Nagsisit lang.
Wala. Napindot lang. Counted yun. Dapat count.
Shot lock violation ako na. Ang nangyari lang. Oh, sige, basket na natin. Sige.
Counted.
Oras. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 31. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Foul basket. Spot rep number 13. Number 13. Third personal foul. Penalty. Bonus throw. Bonus throw. Basket. Number 13. 6 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Change favor. Number 31. Out of bounds orange ball. 1 minute and 16 seconds left.
Time out.
Time out. Number 13. Number 13. 7 seconds to shoot. Black ball. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Number 20. 1 minute exactly. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 56 seconds. 51 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. Kanina bola?
Orange.
Orange ball.
Shot lock.
Reset.
Wag, shot lock.
Mag-reset yun, reset.
Nag-reset ba?
43 seconds. Tuloy-tuloy na to. Number 22, 2 points. Number 23. 30 seconds. Still number 20. 25 seconds. Shot clock violation. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. by number. Bonus throw. 16 seconds left. 16 seconds. Number 30. 2 minutes and 3. No good. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. Foul. This one will foul by number 23. Number 23. 3.9. Warning for graduate na si Jik. 3.9 seconds. First throw. No good. Last throw ready, jumpers. 3.9. 2, 1.
Nilalabas pa lang yung bola. Nilalabas pa lang yung bola. Nilalabas pa lang yung bola. Hindi na maraming tayo. Hindi na maraming tayo. Hindi na maraming tayo. Tabi. Edward.